Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meishiv Nefesh, and we're continuing in the explanation of Harav Steinman, the way that he understands, based on the Vilna Gaon, how HaKadosh Baruch Hu deals with all of our possessions here in this world. And in reality, what we've been saying so far is that instead of looking at suffering and hardships and difficulties and the punishments that come to our physical possessions here in this world as being something that is bad. On the other hand, as he's going to explain even more today, we have to realize that it's really Hashem's way of doing chesed with us. And he explains, Harbe anoshim is eininim al hefsedim ke'elu ke'elu. Many people, they complain when they have financial losses. When they say, you know what, I have no success in my business, I'm trying to make a living, trying to make it big, and no matter what I do, I can't. And they miss out seeing the great goodness that is in this. They have to rejoice through the breaking of their vessels, through the lack of business that they have. They are being saved from death or other kinds of things. Everything that Hashem gave to them from the beginning, as mamainon, all of their money, Hashem gave me all of that money. He gave me all the possessions, so at the time that He needs to take away from it, there's something for HaKadosh Baruch Hu to take away from, which will protect and save me from bad. The reason that we're losing money and the reason that we have damages in our personal property is as a kapara. It's coming to atone. And you have to know how to value this. Through the loss of money, a person is saved from many negative things. It's not by chance that the custom in all homes in Klal Yisrael is that when something breaks, Leimer Mazel Tov, a person is Mazel Tov. Kitzar Shviras Hakli Matzah Ma'id, because the pain that you have when this expensive glass is broken, or that china dish falls off the table and cracks in little pieces, the pain that a person has, you can say Mazel Tov on that. Why? Because that means that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is taking away that suffering here in this world. He's putting the suffering in this world, breaking the vessels that He gave us in this world, in order that in the world to come, we'll have only goodness. Someone who lives according to the words of our sages, he will be satisfied and happy without any pain. When he loses money, his spirit will not break and he will not be in pain. Because he knows when sometimes a person has to lose money, he'll be saved from much worse punishments. He should rejoice that Hashem took away his money. He took away my money, and Baruch Hashem, He didn't give me sickness. When something breaks in the house, a person should say, isn't it better that my car got a flat tire than that Chalila I should get sick? This is great chesed that Hashem does with a person. When we end up losing one of those good things that Hashem has given to us, in this way HaKadosh Baruch Hu can save a person from sickness and from death, or yisurim acherim, or other kinds of suffering. Kamoshe Avanu ben Divrei Agro, like the Vilna Gaon says. And this is what Rav Aaron Leib Steinman is saying. You want to see what's going on in your life to understand why HaKadosh Baruch Hu does what He does. Look at it as a chesed. Hashem gave you possessions, He gave you money, He gave you all of these things, and He can take it away at the right time to save you from greater tragedy and greater suffering, sickness, chas v'chalila, all the different things. So Emiyat Hashem will look at the events that are going on around us. We'll see that it's all Chesed Hashem. It's HaKadosh Baruch Hu's infinite kindness with Klal Yisrael. And in that zechus, Emiyat Hashem, and those merits, we'll be able to go through the suffering and the challenges and the difficulties of life, and we'll be able to see all is good. It's all good in the eyes of Hashem. All the best.